Yes, the weather in Houston can get very hot, but I want to show you this home at 2402 Harbor Pass Drive in Pearland, Texas, that's going to keep you cool and comfortable. I'm Bincy Jacob with Keller Williams Memorial, and this beautiful single-story home in Shadow Creek Ranch is a fantastic gem. Don't let the fact that this is a single-story home fool you. This house has 4 very spacious bedrooms, a wide open-plan kitchen and family room with high ceilings, a formal dining room, a formal study, and 2 bonus rooms. The upgrades are carefully thought out. Custom paint, updated appliances, real hardwood floors, and a whole house water softener system are just a few of the fine features of this home. Welcome to your own personal fruit orchard with pear, orange, peach, and apple trees, and neighbors only to one side. Here, you also have extremely easy access to main roads and highways, including the brand new Pearland Park and Ride commuter service. Shadow Creek Ranch has 4 private community pool and water park areas, a splash pad, parks, sporting courts, and miles of walking trails winding around picturesque lakes. (2402 Harbor Pass Drive) is a home that won't disappoint. To see this home or to sell your home, call me today. This is Bincy Jacob with Keller Williams Memorial saying welcome home to Houston.